Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over x plus 1 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to simplify this algebraic expression to make it easier to work with. Let's get started. To begin solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. We must first simplify each part of the expression. Let's start by factoring the numerator. The numerator x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be factored. Notice it is a perfect square trinomial. The expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be rewritten as x plus 1 all squared. This is because x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, the original expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1 can be rewritten as x plus 1 all squared over x plus 1. At this step, we see how the expression has been altered, transforming the numerator to a factored form. This helps us to see potential common factors in the numerator and the denominator. Next, we observe that the expression x plus 1 all squared over x plus 1 implies the same factor in both the numerator and the denominator. The term x plus 1 in the numerator and x plus 1 in the denominator can be cancelled out because any non-zero number divided by itself equals 1. By cancelling these common factors, the expression is further simplified. Thus, x plus 1 all squared over x plus 1 simplifies to just x plus 1. This concludes the process. The final simplified form of the given rational expression is x plus 1.